Well, this is an '07 Suburban. They're known to have cracked dashboards because people don't know how to take them off. As you can see, someone did not know how to take them off, so now we gotta, try to put all of these pieces together and make them match, and then just put the cover that they sell. I have it over there, but we gotta get the air vents right and everything so it can throw, the AC right. But see, all of this needs to be right there. All of this needs to be pushed back. So what we're gonna be welding these brackets, these staples, to keep it in one piece, and then later on we'll fix this. But we gotta get, block all these cracks. The only cool thing about this, now you can change parts, like, you don't have to take the whole dashboard apart. But yeah, these are the reason that they break. People don't know how to take them off, but they put a lot of whatever these are called. So when they think they took it apart, and when they jank it, they break everything. So yeah, this one goes right here. But we're gonna try to make it the best possible we can. I mean, the nicest possible. So let's get to it. All right, let me get my tools, and we'll be right back. So this is the tool we're gonna be using. Sorry about the fan. So you plug it in, you put one of these brackets in here, and you melt it in the plastic, and that makes it hold like a little welding gun. Put it like so, and that's it. And you just heat it up, it sticks. All right. First, we're gonna start with this piece right here before it continues to break. We're gonna try to put staples where they won't be able to see them that often, and that much. Oh, don't go all the way through. Yeah, see, that's just one, but I forgot the little baggie. So then you take off these clips, and then you sand it. Let's get a little baggie. Get these. I think they're all the same size. No, they're not. They're all different. Looking for small ones. Maybe these. So basically, this is the whole process. Just little staples, melting them in the plastic so they can hold it. And that's it. And then you cut these things off. But we'll do that towards the end. Takes a minute, but it has to be done. Not sure how hot this thing gets, but I ain't trying to find out. Okay, we did that part. This part right here is the one, it's a little tricky. Right there. We're gonna start from the corner over here. Just one, see, that holds it already, but not strong enough. Okay, that'll stop. All right, so we fixed a couple of things right here. Still gotta cut them off, but see this right here. So now the dashboard, it's in place. Yeah, there's some broken pieces too, but we're gonna leave them there for when we put the top. So now we're just gonna put this back, making sure the wires are good. There it is. There it is. That should stay there. We move our tools. We don't want to burn ourselves. Drink a little bit of soda. Okay. Now we get the other plastic. So this one goes on top of the whole dashboard. It's just a really weak plastic, but it should cover everything. You know, like that. Oh, what's that? Pink. Okay. We gotta cut some things. Now I would like to get some glue later on to glue this piece right here. Oh, I forgot to take these off. There it is. There's one. I don't have wire cutters, I lost them. I am buying new ones. But yeah. Okay, so this is the last piece for it. And I think I made a mistake. This has to go behind it. This one. Yes. There. Like that. You could use some glue to, you know, give it good shape for the top thing. But I didn't buy the glue. The main thing was putting it all back together one piece, so the, see this? If it was glue right here, it wouldn't move. So I need to buy some glue. Or maybe I have a glue gun, like this ugly shit that they put. You know? But kind of want to put a staple right here to make this one piece. I think I should do that. We'll be right back. Let us stop. Like that. See, once this cools down, I can break these off. But what did y'all think? You know, everything's back. The air vents are gonna be working. I just gotta put glue on this so it can, you know, stay in one spot. Hey, wait, that's still hot. That's still hot. Ow, ow, ow. But yep, let me go look for the glue gun. I'll be right back. So we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue, the most we can, because this thing gets cold real quick. I am gonna use some different kind of glue, but for now, that I don't even think it's stuck. Not yet, it's too cold. I'm gonna put some right here. stop recording. And there we go. Dashboard is all in one piece again. The glue didn't work. We're gonna have to buy the glue. Alright guys, well, there it is.